big warm welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video I am bringing you some street style from the streets of London, which are very empty right now, so it's been amazing to shoot whilst it's been a ghost town. So I am going to be showing you some looks for spring. I am so over loungewear and leggings that I wanted to bring you some outfits to re-inspire you and get excited for when we get out of here, because it is so soon that things will be going back to normal, and I think I want to get excited about clothes again. So that's what I'm bringing you today. So let's get into the first look. So this look has to be my favorite. I had a little browse on LK Bennett and it was just some gorgeous pieces. It's definitely in line with like Ted Baker and Reese, that kind of vibe. Really beautiful, well-made clothes. This skirt just caught my eye. I loved navy blue and black. There used to be a rule that was like, don't wear navy blue with black, but I really love the color combination. I really like to do things that people tell me not to do. I've just paired it with a sleeveless blazer. If you live in a colder climate like in England, put a jumper underneath it, pull a neck shirt. If you live in a warmer month, lucky you, this is great. But a sleeveless jacket, this is from Zara, is such a gorgeous thing all year round because it's great for layering. You could put jumpers underneath it, but also great in summer when you just want bare arms. So really love this. I just paired it with a black pair of calf length boots, and yeah, I just really love this look, whole drawn together with the Dior handbag. So this skirt, I told you I was going to wear a lot more skirts this year. This is a Reese skirt. I love how long it is. It's not quite a maxi, but it's longer than a midi. It's a really beautiful length to just wear a gorgeous pair of boots on underneath. This look is very, very me. This is something that I would wear to an office, and when I say office, I'm envisioning like me working at Vogue or like a fashion place. I don't mean like a really like business. I can't do very businessy things. It's not my vibe. I don't know. I've never worked in a business office, so I don't know the criteria. But if I worked in like a fashion office, this is definitely something that I would wear. Just paired it with a caramel. This is a caramel and cap sleeve top. I've just actually tucked the sleeves under, so you get a 2-in-1 really easy to do that. And yeah, love this look. So this is my Louis Vuitton belt. What I love about this belt is that it's reversible, so you had the brown and the black, so you have it's like having two belts in one, and I think when you're paying the price, it's definitely a good idea to get something like that. Got the black side here. I just love the way it just makes the outfit look really high-end. Just a simple, really beautiful designer belt. Really makes, you could wear Primark and this belt would make it look so high-end. So that was the idea, to turn all my outfits designer with this one belt. Got my Dior sunglasses, my Prada bag, and yeah, just I love this look. So this look all revolves around this cardigan. I was on the Next website. Next has got some really good like knitwear and jumpers, by the way. Really good like v-neck jumpers and stuff, so definitely go check them out if you're looking for knitwear. But I was having a little browse on the Next website and I discovered that they stock Ralph Lauren. And I was just like, of course the one I like is Ralph Lauren. You know, when you're like sifting through one of those sites, especially on ASOS, I'm always picking out the most expensive by accident. I have expensive taste, it's very annoying. But I discovered Ralph Lauren on there and I just fell in love with their knits. This is a gorgeous, really thick, chunky, gorgeous cardigan. I loved the gold details. I love the structure of it. I think I would size up in this to have like a more oversized fit, but oh my gosh, just that in-between jacket for spring. It's not a cardigan, it's not a coat, it's like this in-between one, and I think that is just perfect for the weather in spring in England in particular. I have just paired it with the Dior bag, some over-the-knee boots from H&M, and a Holland Cooper knit underneath with some denim jeans, and I just think this is a gorgeous everyday look for stomping around London in when things go back to normal. So this is the navy blue blazer paired with this knit. This knit is from Superdry. I love how beautiful this roll neck is. It's got a really gorgeous fabric to it as well, really soft. And I love pairing knits underneath blazers. It's got a really like smart but like laid back feel to it. I am obsessed with a crossbody strap. I think it just reminds me of the Dior catwalk. So any big thick crossbody straps, I am whacking them across me. Really love them. Just paired it with some jeans. These are from River Island, I think. They're the mum jeans. The same ones I always wear. I live in them. They're like so comfy now. I've worn them for years. And a pair of stilettos as well, just to finish off the look. So this look is a gorgeous little shirt dress from Zara, and what I loved about it is that it really wrapped around the waist. Like it's got a gorgeous structure to it. It's got this kind of like oversized shirtness and a gorgeous tie around the middle to really cinch in that waist to create a really nice silhouette. I love that it does it for you. Like, you don't have to tuck a shirt into a skirt, find a skirt to go with the shirt. It's just already made and such a perfect silhouette. I've just whacked over a blazer on top, navy blue, such a gorgeous color. Really love the color navy blue. Goes perfectly with the Dior handbag that I am definitely showcasing in this video, and some shades as well. I'm not sure I know a lot of you live in warmer countries in England, so I try and show you a lot of variations in temperatures, but this is probably a little bit too soon for England. But if you're lucky enough to live in a hot country, this is gorgeous. Legs out, stilettos, or even with some flat shoes would look really beautiful. So I just wanted to give this knit a little shout out, because although I've worn it in a vlog, I don't think I've actually told you about it in haul videos. So if you just watch my hauls, I'm obsessed with this knit. It comes in tan as well. It's from Reese, and I just love that it's like a high neck, but it's got this like V-neck cross here. I've just paired it here, hopefully, with the navy blazer, the Dior bag, some jeans and some black boots, and I just think it's a great one. I get really claustrophobic when I wear really tight high necks sometimes, so it's really lovely fitting around the neckline. And yeah, it comes in tan too, and I just thought it was one of those jumpers that you could always turn to, and I have just really loved wearing this. I felt smart in it, I felt relaxed in it, and yeah, just a really comfortable jumper to wear and look really beautiful and put together still. So let's talk about this bag. I opened it on my vlog the other day, but if you haven't seen it, this is from Bag Butler. It's a rent-a-handbag service. I really love the rent-a-handbag services. I think it's great for sustainability. If you're really into fashion and designer handbags, like I am, I've got a bit of an obsession, it's a great way to not fork out thousands and have different handbags all the time. Pre-loved rent-a-handbag services, I am all for them. I think they're great. So this is from Bag Butler, and you could actually rent this handbag right now, so I'll leave the details down below. They have a really gorgeous collection of Dior's. I'm obsessed with Dior. So this is the Bobby bag, and also what's great about these companies is that you really get to test the bag out before you purchase, if you were looking into it. From doing this, I would say that I am not a lover of the saddle bag. I cannot fit anything in it, and at first I wasn't sure about how I wasn't sure if I loved this Bobby bag, like when I saw pictures of it, but when it arrived, fell in love, and you can fit so much stuff in it. So it definitely gives you an insight if you are looking to purchase like a really expensive handbag. I so 100% recommend testing things out first. So guys, I hope you enjoyed stomping around London with me today. Do let me know if you like this kind of video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at Laura Blair. I'm on TikTok too now. And also there's YouTube Shorts, which is basically TikTok and Reels on YouTube. I don't know. So if you've seen the short videos of me on this channel, it's rolling out. Some of you guys might have it, some of you guys won't have it yet. It's YouTube Shorts, and it basically is TikTok and Reels on YouTube. Don't know what's happening, but I was just like, okay, I was just doing it. So that's why you've seen some short videos of me on here, but you guys seem to like it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. And yeah, I hope you're all okay, and let me know what your plans are. What are you doing at the moment? I know every country is different. I'm really jealous of the countries that are like semi back to normal. Yeah, let me know what your plans are for Easter's coming up, and yeah, please press subscribe if you're a new subscriber, and I will see you very, very soon for another video. Bye!